You can easily share out your murals with other people so that they can view it or they can edit it as per their wish. So to access the sharing settings, here on the home page, you can click on the triangular icon right here, and here you can see that share is an option. If I were to go around and click on the mural right here, then it opens up like this, as you can see, and on the top you can see share option can be accessed from over here as well. So if I were to click on share, then this is what you have, as you can see. So you have members or visitors, as you can see right here. So to invite out people via email, you can go around over here onto email or name section and then type in the email of the person that you want to add. So I'm just going to go around and add in my second email right here. And you can give a permission, like let's say for example, if you just want them to view, then you go for view right here. Or if you want them to edit as well, then you can edit this out, as you can see right here. So once you do this, you can see that I already have access to this, so they can edit this, as you can see right here. So once this is done, you can go around and press enter, and what happens is that it goes below, as you can see. You can also change around the privilege for editing or viewing from over here, and you can add in a message over here as well. So I'm going to say, come edit this mural with me, just like this. So once I do that, I can send invite, and what happens is that the invitation will be sent to the other person. So the other person will receive an email like this, as you can see. So they will be able to receive an email like this. It says like a mural invite right here, and you can click on join mural button right here, and on their web browser it opens up the link right here, and they will be able to access out the mural just like this. So now what they can also do is they can make changes to the mural right here, and you can see that the mural over here, the original mural, changes out just like this as well. So that is how you can share out mural by using email address right here. So if I were to go around over here onto the sharing settings, so on the sharing option right here, this is what you have. So you can see that the other person is there. So if I were to go around and close this, on the top you can click on the option for members, and here you can see that I have shared this out with this person right here. If I were to click on manage mural members, then you can see the members right here, and then what you can also do is you can change the privilege for that particular member. For example, this member can edit right now, but if they can view only, you can click on view only right here, and you can even delete out the member and remove out the member if you do not want to have access to them anymore, if you do not want them to have access anymore onto your mural, as you can see right here. You can also add in the member by going into manage mural section right here, and then you can click on invite people, and then you can add an email address of the person from over here as well, as you can see. So that is how you can invite people with email inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.